The Yamaha NMAX has consistently been a popular choice in the maxi scooter market, known for its blend of style, performance, and practicality. With the anticipation building for the 2025 model, rumors and speculations have been swirling about what Yamaha has in store for this beloved scooter. While official details are yet to be released, here's what we can gather from the whispers and leaks. The NMAX's design is expected to receive a refresh, with sharper, more angular lines inspired by Yamaha's larger sports bikes. We can anticipate a redesigned front fascia with LED headlights, a more sculpted body for improved aerodynamics, and subtle tweaks to the riding position for enhanced comfort. Modern scooters are embracing connectivity, and the 2025 NMAX is expected to follow suit. We might see features like a larger TFT display, advanced smartphone integration, navigation, and over-the-air updates for a more seamless user experience. The current NMAX boasts a fuel-efficient 155cc engine. For 2025, we might see a bump up to a 160cc or even a larger displacement engine. This would provide a boost in power, especially for highway riding, without sacrificing the NMAX's renowned fuel efficiency. The integration of a small electric motor with the gasoline engine is a strong possibility for the 2025 NMAX. This hybrid technology would assist with acceleration, enhance fuel economy, and allow for short periods of emission-free riding. The 2025 Yamaha NMAX 160 is poised to be a formidable contender in the maxi scooter market. Potential upgrades in power, technology, and design could solidify its position as a leader in the category. While much of this is speculation, the future looks bright for this popular Yamaha scooter.